I'm in the total bowl.
Here we go. Ready? Woo! Woo!
Whoa!
Hello. And a woo!
Whoa!
And a woo! And a woo! Okay, now Sophia, do that blue zone.
Oh my gosh.
Happy.
Oh goodness, here we go.
Oh.
Happy, help you.
And again. Oh!
Oh wow, nice form with your splashes.
Oh goodness. Again. Oh goodness. I like how you hold your arms out. That's for extra splashing.
Extra effect.
That's too much play.
No, we're done with the spray. We're walking down the hill 5 times. Let's see some more splashes. Oh, good one. Again.
Happy.
That was some kicks. Oh, there we go.
Oh, marching.
Let's see some more marching. Marching, marching.
Can you do fancy feet in your pool? Ooh.
Marching, girl.
Excelente.
We went up in there and get more play.
You want to run? Why don't you run over to the bush and then go back and jump in the pool. Ready? Here she goes. Ready, set, go. Here she comes. Here she comes. And we jump in. Jump in. It was all work.
Oh, so good.
Let's do it again.
So good.
Oh yeah, good idea. I think that's a good idea.
And